Okay, folks, it's February 6th, 2015, and we had a huge blizzard snowstorm last night. Woke up to this morning. So snow's got up my door. Drifts behind my house, just huge. Horses out there. It's almost 30 below. It's freezing right now outside. So I just want to show you a lot of snow. So I'm going to go to the front over here. Just give you an idea how big our drifts are. Okay. So we have like these like little cloud formations out there. But look how high the snow is. You could see in proportion to the shed out there. Now if I was standing out there, I would be pretty much almost to past my chest probably. I'm 5'7", so I'm pretty, not that tall, but, and it's pretty deep out there right now. And it goes for miles. Shed over there is just like almost, first level is just buried. You can't see underneath it no more. So it's just snow everywhere. Snow, snow, snow. Snow for days. I'm going to get my dog to move. Sandy, move out of the way. Go on. That's my dog, Sandy. Sandy, get back. Scared if I open the door, she'll run out. Oh, look, my door's frozen. It's that cold. My goodness, I can't even open the door. Oh my God. The door's frozen shut. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's bad. When you can't open your front door to get out, and it's cold, that cold, that's ridiculous. Oh my gosh. I can't open this door either. Oh, there it goes. Oh. I want to show you my deck. Look at all the snow. Okay, remember I had that scoop thing in the front of my house I've been filming for the past few days? Well, it's completely gone now. It's buried well under the snow. Look at the tree. That's a big tree, and that's all you see is the top now. Just look across the way. Just snow everywhere. Sandy, get back. It's freezing out here. My deck. Look at my car. I mean, it's practically covered. Look at the drifts next to the window on my motorhome. Okay, this gives you an idea. We're talking, oh, it's freezing cold. I hope I don't get sick. I can't believe I could not open the front door. My lovely husband, my wonderful Jose, is out there shoveling. God bless him. He's going to make a path. But I really want you to see this, how high the drifts have become here. I mean, this is pretty bad. Oh, I hope we don't have a storm. Let's see if Jose will wave at me. He's waving for the camera. I blew him some kisses. Oh, that's my lovely, wonderful husband. Works so hard for the family. Wonderful man. Look at him out there. I hope he doesn't get sick. It's really cold. He really shouldn't be out there too long. Okay, he's out there. He has to take his time because he has a problem breathing. But anyway, again, drifts are so high. Okay, so you YouTubers, family and friends out there, that's what I wanted to show you here on PEI. This is the aftermath on February the 6th, 2015. This is the aftermath of our storm for 2015. Aftermath of our storm, February 5th was yesterday, so this is the next day. Anyway, God bless you guys, and have a great day.